Now, I promised everybody to have a look in my bag. Rubik's World bag. It's been a while, I feel, since I've had these on.
I believe it is, since you last looked inside your bag.
I love it. These bags go everywhere.
Do they?
You know when I went to Eagle Point when we raced the 8 scale buggy? Because I had the car full of wife, kids, dog and everything because we were down there for a week.
Yeah.
We went 8 scale racing with 4 of these.
Yeah?
Yeah. And that included the buggy. They were 4 of these and a transmitter bag. That was our race kit for the weekend.
Did Tristan fit in one?
No,
okay.
He didn't. Remind me of that episode of the Stig when they put him in and ship him.
Yeah.
We could have done that to Tristan.
Yes.
Just a blow-in race driver.
And then stop him whinging all the way down there.
Let's have a look.
What's inside your bag?
Let's have a look. I'm going to zoom out here. I'm going to build the suspense.
Oh.
What do you reckon? Are you built?
I was pretty much in. Oh, I saw Orca things.
Shiny bits.
Shiny Orca things.
Shiny bits.
So that's the thing I like about Orca. The boxes are chrome.
It was one of these bags that caused this to fly off once.
Yeah.
That similar thing.
Okay.
We lost the laptop. We lost the.
Yeah,
we lost everything.
But you recovered and just.
To my, lack of bag handling ability.
You probably should have it fold this way.
Let's zoom in a bit.
That's
a
Blitz.
This is a Blitz 3. Blitz 3s are back. These are awesome stock motors. I don't care what anybody says. A fresh stock motor is a fast stock motor.
Yep.
And these things are not only fast, but they're super reliable. I really like them. I'm looking forward to putting them in just about everything. Right?
I've got a 21.5.
And it's a bullet
in my four-wheel drive.
And how fast is it?
Nothing has ever passed me in a straight line.
Nothing has ever.
Even when I'm weaving side to side, which is what normally happens.
It's got good straight line.
Absolute rocket.
Straight line handling.
Way better than I deserve.
The Run Plus. This is the brushless brush. This is the thing that I raced in the doggy at the Vintage Bash 3.0.
This is the switch hitter.
So if you
goes both ways.
That's right. So if you are racing like a vintage or a car that you want to go from brushed to brushless, like it's really good. You can go from like a 27 to a 12 double modified.
Yeah.
Whip that out with 2 screws. Put in a 21.5 censored. Solder up the other wire and off you go. Put the sensor cable in. Switch that on and it comes with a program card.
Yeah, you're right. These are great for vintage cars.
Really good.
For vintage cars.
So you can chop and change between
540,
whatever.
Then go to 3.5 turn.
No,
probably not.
No. I think
that'll blow it up.
I think it goes to 8.5.
Yeah.
But I would probably recommend no lower than 10.5.
Yeah.
Only because I think vintage cars don't look the best with fans on the speedies.
Yeah.
And
the gearboxes will blow up.
The gearboxes will definitely blow up.
Apart from that,
what's here? Oh.
My favourite speedy of all time.
This is an absolute weapon. I love this thing. It's got no external capacitors. It doesn't have an external switch. I mean, yes, you can wire an external switch. It does come with a fan if you choose to use it. But if you're running 21.5 or 17, it doesn't need it. If you're running 13, put a fan on. But 21 or 17.5,
these are in all of my cars pretty much.
Off-road, on-road, whatever it is, this is awesome. Goes with the little Bluetooth
when we first got the samples of these and you showed them to me, these are weapon, and I poo-pooed you.
Yep, you said that's crap.
That's crap, and now I've got more than I can poke a stick at. If you get a stick, I can't poke at one of those.
Not enough of them.
No.
Blitz 3. We've got 17s, we've got 13s. Really good. I love older ones. Mod Trim 2. Here we go. 6.5.
That would be major weapon.
That'll set your pants on fire.
Yeah.
Wouldn't it?
Not at the moment. But
we don't need to.
Can't be far.
I don't need to do an unboxing. We've seen them before.
No, it's a motor. We've seen them before.
We have seen them before. And if you like something special from the Orca range, OE1 Mark II. So if you run modified, and there's some very fast guy that he's a huge fan. I don't want to drop any names, but Todd George. Sure. He's been running Orca stuff.
Has he?
Donkey's ears.
The toddler.
Loves it in on-road, off-road, or whatever. He's an Orca man through and through. He just loves them. Yeah. Andrew Watanabe. He's an absolute. He just loves them. Puts them in everything. He gets them
off Kenji.
Yeah, pretty much.
Probably.
Yeah. Hey.
Oh, more Orca.
Bluetooth module.
I've got one of those.
Yeah. And if you're just like mucking about, you just leave it mounted in the car, right?
Yeah.
And then you just hook your phone. Like, don't hook your phone up. You just press the button on your phone. Away
there
it
it
goes.
is.
Boom. All your settings. But once if you've got 21.5, touring car, honestly, you just turn everything up and you just leave it, right?
Orca.
What have you got there?
I'm just having a look.
You can't find it. You're gonna, next thing you know, you're going to have your
There it is.
OnlyFans page up. Yeah, it is.
There's the Orca module.
Yeah.
On my phone. It's not the Orca OnlyFans page.
No device found.
Yeah.
Oh, of course. It's
There you
not
go.
in. All right. What else have I got in my bag?
What's this gay boys thing?
Now, this stuff. Now, you might say, oh, we've seen these before, but you haven't. These are now 25% prettier.
Yeah.
These are 25% more. You didn't think these could get any more attractive.
Yeah, but now
They're
they're 20 good and they're cheap.
They're 25%, and I don't mean that they've come out with a new model or a new color or a new style, but there's a special on.
Yep.
There is a special on for
Arrowmax.
5 days.
Yep.
For about 4 or 5 days, 25% off all Arrowmax hardware. So if you thought this looked good before, it's now 25% more better. More betterer. 3mm drivers.
And they're lightweight because of the honeycomb thing.
Do yourself a favor. If you don't have one, get a 3mm tap. It is just,
they're awesome.
You'll buy it, you'll have it for 10 years and you'll tap everything and your cars will go together so nice. It is
That's
crazy.
what I used when I was building that B6.4
thing.
Classic Clear Edition.
Yeah, the Crystal Clear Edition.
I had to tap everything, and I used one of them, and it was magnificent.
Tap that. So we got 2mm, just about everything, right? 2mm driver, ball drivers, 5.5mm, the whole range. Anyway, I just grabbed some stuff off the wall. The chassis balancing weights, little pins that you should stick in your chassis and see if it's got balance. All of it, the whole range.
That's all so good,
isn't it?
So put all that away.
Just a quick few little things. I'm really looking forward to seeing you and not only testing your RS 2.0F, you're also going to run some shorties tonight, some Coyote.
Team Coyote shorties.
We've got some different capacities. I got 4600, 5200 and 6500 for you.